What's up, YouTube? Listen, we got CPI tomorrow. So today, the market was a little uncertain. Market was a little shaky, but guess what? We're going to talk all about it. Get you guys prepared for tomorrow and how to take advantage. But as always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. So please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Check it out, guys. Just a real quick note before I get in my bag on today. This is from Bloomberg. Traders brace for S&P's 500 busiest CPI day since March 2023. Options are pricing in a 1% move in equities on Wednesday. Investors are focused on inflation as jobs market is strong. Guys, they're basically, I'll just break this and unpack this and decode this. They are either looking to crash the market 1% or to take the market up 1%. Don't ever overlook these 1%, guys. I sometimes think you need 100% on your option plays, 100% on your moves in your stock prices. When you understand the significance of 1%, if this was to fall 1% tomorrow, some people gonna throw in the towel on the stock market for this year. Okay, it's significant. 1% to the upside will have everybody jumping for joy. So I just want you guys to know, when you play this game, there's volatility that comes with it, okay? That comes with the territory. But the volatility is meant for you to get in position. I'm going to be focused on you guys getting in proper position. So if it do go down, guess what? We get all the stocks we know, like, and love for cheaper. We get all the options that we want to play and make money with and hit a home run later on in the year for cheaper. The premium will be cheaper. So it's about how you look at these things that's on the horizon, and that helps you prepare properly. Okay, check it out, guys. Today I'm going to teach you about a false breakout. Okay, today's lesson is going to be on a false breakout, aka bull trap. Okay, bull trap. Everybody write this down. What is a bull trap, coach? I'm going to show it to you so that you can see and know how to spot it, okay? So check this out. Look at this, guys. This is the SPY. It was sitting at 581, okay? It ran up to 584, having you think it was going to take off. This is called a fake out breakout, okay? A fake out breakout, a false breakout, aka bull trap. So sitting at 584, at 9:45, watch this, it got yanked all the way down. They smacked it all the way down to 578. Okay, so by noon, everybody face tore up. Okay, but guess what? This is where you use and learn to use your stop loss. So if they jumped it up to 584 from 581, you put your stop loss at 582. Therefore, if the stock don't continue higher, guess what? You're out of it anyway, okay, with a small profit. And then those of you that know how to pivot, okay, or see this move coming, this was an opportunity. You guys already know 584 is resistance. If we couldn't get through that, then it was coming back down. You can buy a put right here, and this, guys, helps you a lot on the 100K challenge, or just in terms of learning how to make money. Okay, but guess what? Once it got down here, it made a double bottom starting at 12, and then the second piece was here at 1235, and then boom, it shot back up to make a higher low. It couldn't get as high as 584. This time it got to 583 before making a triple top and taking a trip right back down, this time to 579. Guys, these are called false breakouts, aka bull traps. Let's go through another one. Tesla. Tesla went up. Let's check it out. Tesla was 408. It shot all the way up to 422. This is a fake out. How many of you guys got faked out by this? Okay, now before getting faked out, how many of you guys took profits? How many of you guys got in from 403, 408 all the way to 422 and took profits? Okay, this is why I say Sell, see profit, take profits. Lock it in when you're up. Don't let green turn red. Check this out. At 9:40, it was at 422. From 9:40 all the way to 12:30, they brought it down to 403. Okay, these are the supports I called out in Discord. It popped up temporarily. This was a false move too. This is also another bull trap. Got back to 411, and then boom, they yanked it all the way down to 395. Okay, this is called a bull trap. The bull right here. Bull is mean everybody stuck up here, didn't take profit, overstayed their welcome, trying to be greedy. Okay, and then they yanked it all the way down to 395. Okay, when any of your play, I'm just teaching a lesson on a few stocks you guys love. But on any stock you play, SoFi, Palantir, Nvidia, no matter what it is, Roblox, AVGO, it don't matter. You have a decision to make, okay, guys? Because the bull trap is just as deadly as the bear trap, okay? And so a lot of people, when they overstay their welcome, they learn a very tough lesson, okay? Here's another one, Nvidia. This one was cooking today. This one was down here at 133. It shot up all the way to 136. It was looking good at 136. They let all the people that's late to the party, FOMO, chasing, not being disciplined, not using your stop loss, they let you get in at 136. This is called a bull trap. Thinking it's going to go higher, not respecting resistance, not respecting that CPI is tomorrow. Whenever I tell you guys PPI, CPI, or Fed Powell is speaking, it's for you to add a layer of caution to whatever you're doing. You can't stay around all day. A lot of these moves, not necessarily your guys' fault. It's the market saying, oh, we can't run because we got to be on the lookout for CPI tomorrow. So let's get them a quick little 5-minute, 10-minute run first thing in the morning, get them excited, fake them out, bull trap them. Okay, bull means up. Bull means the stock was going up, then they trap you guys in and then they yank it down, okay? So they got you guys all in at 136. And then boom, they yanked it all. They've been doing Nvidia dirty. They yanked it all the way down to 130. Wow, this was nasty work. This was nasty work. Remember I taught you about the 50% move? Look at this right here. It couldn't get back above the 50% move. It couldn't get it back above the third. Remember I taught you about the bottom third? This is the bottom third, 132. 132 from 136 is the bottom third. Once it couldn't get back above 132, look, it fell to 130. Okay, tried to pop up, still couldn't get back above the bottom third, and so we're down. So I'm letting you guys know all of this to basically simply say, guys, if CPI comes in, they already told you they're gonna crash the stock market tomorrow. If it come in hot. So these stocks will crash too. I don't want you to look at it in a negative. You got to look at it like, okay, if it goes down, I'm doing puts. If it goes up, I'm doing calls. That's the game. That's a plan of action, first and foremost. But secondly, if it goes down, this is a good thing. Trump is coming into office on Monday. If he can get a low stock market, what do you think they're going to do? Some type of euphoria, some type of fake news story to hype up something, gonna take the stocks right back higher. So if they crash it tomorrow, it's really gonna be a blessing in disguise. It just won't feel like it in the moment, but you guys gotta have a bigger picture view. You gotta have a 50,000 foot view of what's going on. I taught you guys from day one when you first came to my channel, this is high level chess. Okay, so they're not thinking about little minute to minute moves. They're thinking about stuff way down the line, way down the road. Okay, so they need to get assets and stock prices in position so they can make whatever move they want to make. Okay, and so again, guys, you got to know that Apple, same thing, false breakout, aka bull trap. Look at this. It went up to 236 today. This was 236. It closed at 235.89. They yanked this all the way down to 232. That's called nasty work, okay? But guys, there's money to be made when you see that. So when you got CPI, PPI, and any of these events, you guys got to be thinking. You guys got to be saying to yourself, okay, this move up might not sustain itself. They're going to wait for clarity after the report tomorrow. So guess what? The report good. Check this out. They coming right back. Put this price in your back pocket. They coming right back to 235.89. If it ain't good, guess what? They're going down to 229. It's just like that, okay? This game, guys, if you overcomplicate it, it can feel daunting and overwhelming. But if you learn to just pay attention, what did they do last CPI? What did they do at resistance? What are you doing in terms of seeing profit and taking profit? Are you selling when you're in profit? And I don't care if you was in profit last week, last month, or today. Did you sell, or are you letting your green plays turn red? That's a question I want you guys to ask. I'm gonna pull out our daily to-do list, and it's gonna have those on there just so we can always be accountable, because you're gonna see how much it helps you on your journey when you go through the checklist. Did you sell? Did you use a stop loss? Did you overstay your welcome? When you learn to have checks by the things you need to have checks, and no checks by the things you're gonna see, man, I increased my win percent by 10%. I increased my win rate by 20% just by Coach walking us through these things we need to do if we're going to be taking trades. I'm also going to teach you guys one last thing: trading shares. Okay, some of you guys are trying to skip steps. You're trying to jump right to the money team. You're trying to jump right into options. Guys, you got to first invest long term. Okay, first, before all of that, get your Roth IRA. You got to get your high yield savings account. You got to get your money market account. Then you go to investing. Okay, it's an order of operations. Okay, then when you move to the trading side, you need to trade shares. So the stocks you like, you need to buy shares of them. Some you hold for the long term, but in another portfolio, you're trading the share. Okay, so you're buying the share when it's 130, you selling it at 134. But it's shares. Then once you master that, you graduate to options. Okay, Coach is going to be walking you guys through more of that. The trading shares is much more doable for you guys, and you don't have to go up against time decay, theta decay, and all the other manipulation of Wall Street and the stock market trading options. Okay, so I'll bring some of that back too for you guys to take advantage of, because you don't want to skip steps, because you're going to always feel like there's a void in your game, something that's missing. But I got you guys covered as always, guys. Listen, we got a jam-packed video and a jam-packed day. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning, guys. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.